Over 50? The YouTube mistake almost everyone makes, and why it feels like you're doing everything right. If you are over 50, you need to know this. What if the reason your YouTube channel isn't growing has nothing to do with your effort, nothing to do with your consistency, and nothing to do with how good your videos are? What if the real problem is that you're following advice that sounds sensible, feels safe, and is quietly working against you? And here's the uncomfortable part. Almost everyone makes this mistake at the beginning, especially smart, thoughtful people who don't want to get it wrong. I'll tell you exactly what that mistake is in a few minutes, and once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. If you're watching this thinking, I'm not tech stupid, but I am exhausted by all of this, you're in the right place. You've probably watched dozens of YouTube videos, taken notes, tried to do things properly, and yet, something feels off. You're doing what you were told, but deep down you're wondering, why does this feel harder than it should? That quiet doubt? That's not failure, that's instinct. In this video, I'm going to show you the single most common mistake new creators make, why it's so tempting, why it feels responsible, and why it almost guarantees slow or no growth. And more importantly, I'll show you what to focus on instead, without hype, without jargon, and without turning YouTube into a second full-time job. Hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel at Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50+ to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Section 1. Why playing it safe feels so right. Let's start with why this mistake is so easy to fall into. Most people come to YouTube wanting to do things properly. They don't want to embarrass themselves. They don't want to look foolish. They don't want to waste months chasing the wrong idea. That instinct is understandable, and honestly, it's a good one. It means you care about your time, your reputation, and your energy. So you do the logical thing. You look around. You watch what others in your space are doing. You study best practices. You listen to advice that sounds sensible and proven. And slowly, almost without noticing, you begin shaping your content to fit what already exists. Appealing to a wide audience feels mature, responsible. It feels like keeping your options open. It feels safer than committing to one clear direction. But that feeling of safety is exactly where the trap snaps shut. Because what feels safe to you often feels invisible to everyone else. Section 2. The mistake, trying to make videos for everyone. Here it is. The mistake almost everyone makes is this. They try to make videos that could be for anyone. They tell themselves things like, I don't want to box myself in. I'll refine it later. I just need to get started. So the titles stay vague, the thumbnails stay generic. The opening 30 seconds try to please everyone at once. Nothing is wrong, but nothing is sharp. And YouTube does nothing. Not because the content is bad, but because the signal is weak. When a video doesn't clearly announce who it's for, YouTube has no confident group to test it with. And when YouTube hesitates, momentum dies before it ever starts. Section 3. Why this confuses YouTube and viewers. Here's the part most people misunderstand. YouTube doesn't guess who your videos are for. It listens. It looks at who clicks, who stays, who feels seen immediately. Those early signals tell YouTube everything. When your message is fuzzy, YouTube can't place you, and neither can the viewer. They see your title and thumbnail and think, this looks fine, but is it for me? That moment of hesitation is fatal. Because on YouTube, maybe is the kiss of death. People don't investigate, they move on. Clear videos don't ask the viewer to figure anything out. They announce themselves instantly. Section 4. Why smart people fall into this trap. Here's the part no one tells you. This mistake is most common among people who are thoughtful, capable, afraid of wasting time. In other words, people like you. You're not chasing virality. You're not trying to game the system. You're trying to build something real and sustainable. So you hedge. You soften the message. You avoid being too specific too early. Because clarity feels risky. It feels like choosing one door and closing the others. But confusion is far riskier than clarity. It just doesn't feel that way at first. Safe content rarely fails loudly. It simply fails quietly. Section 5. The shift, from good advice to clear signal. This is where the shift happens. The goal of your video is not to impress everyone. It's to make one person feel like you're talking directly to them. When that happens, they click faster, they stay longer, they trust you sooner, and YouTube notices. This is why some small channels grow shockingly fast. Not because they're smarter, but because they're clearer. They chose a person, they spoke to that person consistently, and they let everyone else self-select out. Clarity beats cleverness. Specific beats safe. Every single time. Section 6. The first 30 seconds test. Here's a simple test you can use on every video. Look at your title, thumbnail, first 30 seconds, and ask one question. Who is this obviously for? Not who could watch this. Not who might benefit. Who is this clearly speaking to? If the answer isn't instant, neither YouTube nor your viewer will wait to figure it out. The strongest videos make the right people feel pulled in, and the wrong people feel free to leave. That's not a bug. That's the system working. Section 7. Why this changes everything. Once you stop trying to appeal to everyone, something strange happens. Your videos feel calmer. Your decisions get easier. Your confidence goes up, not down. Because you're no longer guessing. You're serving someone specific. You're solving a real problem for a real person. And that clarity shows in everything you do. Paradoxically, that's when growth begins. So let's bring this back to where we started. If you've been feeling stuck on YouTube, posting consistently, trying to do things the right way, but not seeing momentum, there's a good chance it's not your effort or your intelligence holding you back. It's clarity. Not better editing, not better gear, not more trends. Clarity about who you're really talking to. The moment you stop trying to make videos that could be for anyone and start making videos that are obviously for someone, everything shifts. Your message sharpens, your confidence steadies, and your channel finally gives YouTube something it can understand and support. This isn't about shrinking your audience. It's about giving the right people a reason to stop, listen, and stay. So before your next upload, pause. Look at the title, the thumbnail, the first 30 seconds, and ask yourself one honest question. If the right person saw this, would they know instantly it was made for them? If you get that right, growth stops being mysterious. It becomes predictable. And if you want help making that shift, turning your ideas into clear signals that YouTube and the right viewers can't ignore, that's exactly what this channel is here for. In the next video, now it lands with authority instead of hype. This is where you can feel relief first, then quiet confidence. Stay with me. We're just getting started.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.